Hi everyone. In this short and simple video, I would like to show you how to link a certificate to your Google form, that is quiz form, and also how to make it time bound. Before we go in detail in this, get ready with your quiz form and with correct settings of that. And also we need an image of certificate what we are going to issue in JPEG form or in any image form, and we also need an empty Google slide. You can see all the three of them in my drive. Select our quiz form, which opens in the next window. Here all the personal details whatever which are required for filling the certificate are given in order. First email, next full name, then designation, name of the college, likewise they are given in order. In the next section of the quiz form, the quiz questions are given in a particular subject. Here you can see here more simple. See here this three dots. Here this is the more symbol. When you select that, when you click on that, you will see some options. The options what you can see are, see here, undo, add on, see here this is add on. Select that one and type here certify EM in that one, and it gives the search. Select this add-on, select installing, give permissions whatever that are required. It also needs Gmail ID and allow the permissions. Later, after installing, this is the add-on symbol. You can see our certify EM on the add-on. And also we will install another add-on. Go to the same more. We'll see. After selecting add-on here, after clicking more, you will see whatever the add-ons that can be added here. From here, select email notification for forms. This enables us to set a form a time-bound one. Select email notification for forms. Install it like the previous one. Give all the permissions. And it got installed. Now you can see in this add-on symbol, when you select that one, see two add-ons were listed. One is the Certify M, another one is email notifications for Google Form. We are using both of in this session. Now you can select Certify M where it shows options to open control panel. Let's see. Select Show Certify EM Controls. After selecting that, a window opens. This is the control panel for Certify EM, and when it opens, you confirm for the terms of services, confirm. Then you can see the controls. Here the certification is off. Turn it on. Select this one. Here you can see certification is on. Now the certification is on for this quiz form and the certificate which we are going to generate. Then go to certificate records. In the certificate records, which is a Google spreadsheet, here you can see the merge tags which are reflected in your certificate, like full name, other identifier 2, and we can add the percentage score. also the certificate ID. I'll show you later how the merge tags which can be added can be notified in the Certify EM. Now these are the fields. Maximum we can use 2 fields after the full name. One is the other identifier, another one is other identifier 2. We are planning in such a way that after full name the designation and followed by the college where they are working, and we can merge both of them. These two can come in a single line by using a merge tag of other identifiers. We can use that. We will move this Certify EM records to the respective folder where we are working with the quiz. Into that folder we are moving that form to our respective folder. Now we can see in our folder the Certify EM records. Okay, as we came to our folder in the drive, we will just quickly make the certificate also. Click on this carbohydrate quiz form, and here you can see the JPEG image of the certificate. Select this one, empty Google slide, then insert that image, certificate image, by selecting insert option and choosing the correct image. The image is selected and insert, and it is resized so that it is within the Google slide. Now our certificate is also ready. Then here we will change the pass percentage as 70%. Then we will select the template, that is certificate, to attach to this Google form. It has pre-formed template, zigzag, like that, ribbon. You can select any. When we select here, at the end custom template appears. When we select custom template, here setting up your own certificate appears, where already the template is selected. Now we have to select a new file to select our certificate. Select a new file. Select the correct form, certificate form, and it is selected already, showing the selection. Save changes. Now it attached the certificate. See here, the carbohydrate quiz form is attached here. Then here the limit quota is 98 emails. Go to advanced settings. When we go to advanced settings, here there is some option, message shown after certificate. Wrote the message, you will receive certificate. Then in the email options, write the name of the sender, that is you, and select the subject of the email, quiz certificate, and contents of the body, thank you for participating in the quiz. After entering relevant data, just go down. There is create certificate option, send as PDF, and share via email. We have to, these two, or just we are keeping like that, and save changes. And this is our certificate which was saved in Google slide. Now here in these fields we have to add the relevant data which is applicable in this certificate. The data can be added by inserting the text. Okay, the text is inserted, and put two, yes, this is the full name, copy this one, 2 flower brackets followed by the full name, then close by 2 flower brackets. Here just adjust the settings. Keep it in the middle. Whatever the formatting that is required, bold, italic, select the font color also as per your wish and place it correctly. Then later select the another box. Here we want to display other identifier, that means after full name we want designation, and after full name the other identifier comes. Stay here. It shows the list of merge tags supported by Certify-AM. Full name, after full name we are using other identifier which shows the designation. Next we are using other identifier 2 which is the name of the college, like that. And we can merge these two, other identifier and other identifiers 2 as a single one using other identifiers, which is a combination of other identifier and other identifier 2 separated by comma. We are using this one, and also we are using date 2 which is in the Indian format using %, as well as certificate ID in my certificate. Now here in this field we will add a merge tag of other identifiers. Here we added other identifiers tag in the 2 flower brackets, and the formatting is also done. Likewise, the date and percentage of the score is also added to this certificate. After adding %, adjust the settings and do the formatting that is required. Okay, then we will add added certificate ID also here at this location. Now this is the complete certificate which is ready to be attached to the quiz form. It is ready. After filling the certificate, we came to the Certify-AM control panel, where we are just want to see the sample of the certificate by selecting this email me sample. Just click on the button, email me the sample. Preparing a sample certificate. A sample certificate has been emailed to you. Check your email, download the certificate. When you see this one, you can understand how it came. It is a sample certificate which is under the name of Lisa Simpson, and it is correct. Then we will just preview this one and fill all the forms. I would like to check how my certificate comes. A sample one. Fill the form and also answer some of the questions and submit the quiz form. The personal details are submitted. You will receive certificate. Check the mail. Refresh it. You will see the quiz form. When we download it and see this certificate, all the details came correctly. Now we can use this for our certification confidently. Then go back to our Certify-AM control. See this one, everything came correctly. Then we'll close this form. After closing it, we will go to add as select email notifications for Google Form. It shows a list of tasks what you can do with the email notifications for Google Forms. We are going to this one, limit Google Form responses. We want our quiz to be present in a particular time, to be available in a particular time. So we are selecting this limit Google Form responses. After selecting, the panel appears. The panel look like this. Open the form in so and so date and time. Close the form by so and so date and time. And also we can put number of entries, turn it after 300 entries or 200 entries or 100 entries, we can manage, and then we can save this form. Now we are adding specific data, date and time. Likewise, the time and the date for closing the form is also entering. It's done. We can select number of entries, turn off after number of entries also, either this or that, then save the form and close it. Now for this form, everything is finished and we need to send. It is done. Send. In sending the form, we have three options. We can send by mail, and second one is we can share a link, and third one is in our website we can embed this link. We are using now this second one, link only. Shorten the link and copy the link. Paste this link in any platform like WhatsApp or Telegram or anything where they can click that link and they can go to the examination. Hope it is clear to you, and you can do it very easily in one go when you follow all the steps. Thanks for watching.